A kite-powered boat, termites can be gutted for biofuel, a home made of storage containers, a billboard that breathes, and more stories this week on Green Tech Weekly. Welcome to webisode number 3. Thanks for joining me again. This is our third show and I hope you like what we have to offer. Cargill is taking the old phrase, "Go fly kite," to a whole new level. They have announced that they will be outfitting one of their long-term charter ships with a 320 square meter kite. The kite will help pull the ship by flying in a figure-8 pattern. This helps in reducing the fuel consumption by an average of 35%, with the occasional burst up to 50%. A study by the United Nations International Maritime Organization suggests that this tech could reduce up to 100 million tons of carbon dioxide each year if the technology was broadly applied to the world's merchant fleet. It seems we are coming full circle with a return to wind power. A recent discovery at Purdue University by resident smart guy Mike Scharf has found a way to speed up the process of breaking down biomass into basic sugars that are used in biofuels. This opens the door to using fewer food-based crops. The process uses the digestive enzymes of a termite to break down and produce the sugar we need for biofuel. Mike and his team had to rip the guts out of a lot of termites to get this test data. This sounds like the job that a lot of homeowners would love to have. A lucky couple in San Jose, Costa Rica snagged 2 used storage containers. The reason this is lucky is because they let architect Benjamin Garcia turn the giant metal boxes into a cool house. The floor plan takes advantage of an open design with cross ventilation. That makes it so efficient that they don't even need air conditioning.
In Costa Rica!
That too! Something we all around here in America want. The whole home sweet home only costs about $40,000, including the land. And this seems like a bargain anywhere you live. Coca-Cola put up a living, breathing billboard with the World Wildlife Federation recently. The billboard is covered in, let me get this right, Fukian tea plants that cover a 60 by 60 foot canvas. The classic shape of a Coke bottle is cut out in the middle. Each plant is in a recycled pot made from Coke bottles, and the soil is made from industrial byproducts and organic fertilizer. The breathing sign will remove a whopping 46,800 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. This beautiful sign debuted in the Philippines, and sadly, they haven't made any mention of when or if they will ever make one in the US. Speaking of soda, a pair of recent studies at the University of Texas Health Science Center in San Antonio found that diet soda may not be any better than drinking normal soda. One study suggests waist will still get bigger and risk for diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and other chronic conditions will go up. A second study explained why this happens. Without going into all the details, the study showed that if you're consuming a lot of aspartame, your blood sugar could go up because it doesn't squelch your appetite. They found that aspartame has the effect of triggering your appetite, whereas normal sugar stops it and you seem full. Of course, this means you may eat more. Understandably, they say it all comes down to willpower, and isn't that what it takes to lose weight anyway? So this doesn't mean that you need to stop drinking diet soda. It just means you should also watch what you eat, and you can always swing by your local farmer's market too. And last, we have the holy grail of charging your gadgets. Manos Tetsaratsi, I hope I said his name right, a professor in the Georgia Tech School of Electrical and Computer Engineering, has found a way to harness the electromagnetic energy all around us and use it to charge small wireless sensors. The antennas are actually printed using inkjet technology. If this can be mass produced and made to work on larger applications, Tesla would be proud. That's our show for this week. Be sure to follow us all the usual ways, and see you next week. Remember to rethink it green.
I'm gonna get you can. Say, I'm gonna get you can.
I'm gonna get you can.
I hate litter.
I hate litter.
Recycle, don't litter.
Recycle. Dang it.
Roll.
So I'll get this light over here. Oh, you guys are still here? So we need show sponsors. Hit us up in the notes or the link on our website if you want to be our sponsor. Thanks. See you around.